Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in
Welcome to my channel.
Here, and then you can see this, which is good. Yes, we got a package. Y'all, I miss my unboxings so much. Scam. Y'all, this stuff is a fucking scam. I ain't got no water. Eat. Let's get a grape. I need a lighter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in yet again to another episode of Bree on TV, where I am your host who has on this cute crop top. You already know the vibes. Tom and Jerry shirts. Bree. So today we getting back to the unboxings. Oh my god, doing vlogmas, I was going crazy for the 6 days that I participated. I went crazy with unboxings just because I just be having stuff stuck in storage or in my little PR corner that I be needing to like unbox, because we, the girls and the people, you know, who tune into my channel, we be needing to talk about it or see it, experience it, you know, together. So today's unboxing is from Bath & Body Works. I purchased the online exclusive only release limited edition of. So while I was checking the Bath & Body Works website to get the exact name of my online exclusive limited edition candle, to get like the proper name, I noticed that it's no longer, like, it no longer says online exclusive. So I guess that's a win-win for all of us, because if I really like this candle, and if you like this candle or this review that I'm giving during my unboxing, you yourself can go to Bath & Body Works and not just have to do what I'm doing, which is like hope for the best in ordering it. And I was thinking that it was online exclusive, it was going to sell out, limited edition, let me rack up. So I bought two. But you can go to the store and smell it yourself before spending your money on Bath & Body Works. But at the end of this video, I am going to bless y'all with a tip that I just found out about Bath & Body Works, only because it's very important in regards to exchange and returns with your items. So the name of this candle is called the 3 Wick Candle Banana Walnut Muffin. Now y'all know I'll spend my money on some candles. One thing about it, two things for sure. I'm gonna spend my money on some candles because the aroma
candles.
of not just the boom boom room, but the entire Parisian plush needs to be top tier on 10, and candles just do something to the heart. I wanted to actually unbox it with y'all just so that way y'all can get my initial reaction. We're gonna light this candle up together. I purchased two so that way we can talk about, you know, just the difference of, you know, how it smells lit up along with how it smells not lit. So you gotta be real careful. All right, so I like their colors. So this is the first candle. They're both the same candle. The world's best 3 wick candle, guaranteed. You will lie, because the best candle that Bath & Body Works has ever dropped, in my opinion, is the pecan waffle cone 3 wick candle. You can find me in the comments, you can argue with me, but that is my favorite scent. All right, yes, Yes, with the showcase. Okay, girl.
Ooh, I know where you've been. Oh, where do you go? In your head, when in the
So in my previous vlog, when I took a trip to Mall of America, that is when I discovered through a sales associate at White Barn and Bath & Body Works that they're actually partnered. I have never knew that White Barn and Bath & Body Works were like partnered together. So hopefully that's like a new joint partnership and I'm not like late to the bandwagon. I don't know.
fight to live, fight to sometimes find yourself no.
Kind of like ending summer, beginning fall, and that's when they dropped this candle. How I came across it was Bath & Body Works, they send me emails, I'm on their email list, that each year they discontinue certain candles and then they add on certain candles. So I came across the banana walnut muffin candle and I was like, I love me a good banana walnut muffin. So if I can have that in a candle, baby say less. In regards to the scent, it smells just like a banana walnut muffin. So superb. They match that exactly. And then I don't know if y'all care, but on the bottom of the candles, that's where you have the warning, caution, ingredients used. It says do not burn candle for more than 4-hour intervals. The devil is a lie. The devil is a lie. It is infused with sweet banana, golden nutmeg. I don't know what that is. Cinnamon sugar muffin with natural essential oils. Initially, the candle, as you can see, is always priced for $24.50, but you can always catch a deal in regards to Bath & Body Works if you're patient. The inside is white, and I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I'm like really picky about the inside color of my candle. I don't know why. So in regards to the logo, because that is something I care about. Y'all may be like, you know, but I be like, So it's simple, and I feel like they could have done a lot more, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. They're both pumpkin pecan waffles. This is what I'm used to Bath & Body Works going all out, you know, in regards to their candles. But this is a Bath & Body Works candles. Ever since Bath & Body Works has partnered with White Barn, this is the same candle, but they have changed their design to just give off a more simple appease. And I don't like this. Because I'm extra, so while I was watching reviews, because I always watch reviews on candles before I purchase them, somebody, and it's not many reviews on YouTube or on the internet in regards to this candle, so that's what made me more enticed to purchase this candle, because it's not something that everybody owns. Let me know in the comments if you or you know anybody, whether them being a YouTuber or somebody on social media like Instagram or Facebook, that has purchased the banana walnut muffin 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works, and you know, like, just drop their information in the comments, because obviously me and that person kind of like, we're here. The overview of this candle is a little sugar, a little spice, a whole lot of fresh from the oven goodness, just like a banana walnut muffin, topped with a decorative lid. While you'll love our 3-wick candles, it's made with natural essential oils, beautiful room filling fragrance, amazing quality from beginning to end, eventually melting soy wax blend. Every candle is 100% guaranteed. So if you care to know about the ingredients of the candle, I'm going to screenshot that and put it on the screen for you. Bath & Body Works had previously, back in the day, I don't know what year, released a candle similar to the banana walnut muffin. It was called the banana bundt cake. But while watching reviews, I was informed that this candle kind of tastes, child, I'm hungry. The banana walnut muffin candle smells similar to the banana bundt cake. So that's the reason why I haven't purchased it. I definitely feel like this would be an amazing feminine essential like item to household item to have in your home. It's just an amazing aesthetic, you know, to walk into your apartment, whether you're in a bad mood, a good mood, had a rough day, just the aura or the aroma of you walking into a scented home, like, it just makes me feel better. It puts me in a more soothing like mood. And I always put my candles in some type of like cute candle holder aesthetic. Like this right here was purchased from Burlington, and I don't even think it was designed to be a candle holder, but when I seen it with my eyes, because I have so many candles, I was like, that's it. Only because I'm not fond of just leaving my candles like this sitting on a surface. One of the tips that I had promised y'all that I was going to save for the end, so that way if you've watched my entire video and you've made it to the end, one of the tips that I want to share with you, I had came across this type of tea on TikTok. So if you're not hip to TikTok, you need to get on TikTok. So I called Bath and Body Works and I was like, hey, is that true that I can bring in a used candle that is in, you know, good condition, and I can exchange it for the same flavor or another flavor? So that's why I still have these two candles sitting in my storage, because I will never throw away another candle ever again. Now that I've been hip to, you know, you can exchange candles. But don't be going around telling everybody this secret that I told y'all, because they already said people be abusing you know, the power of being able to exchange a candle after you've already used it. I love unboxings and talking about my products that I've spent my hard earned money on with y'all. So we got a lot more in store, like I said. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below any questions or comments or concerns that you may have in regards to this candle that I just unboxed. Hopefully I discussed everything that I can think of on the top of my head.
Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing we're searching for